The solar system is a collection of celestial bodies that orbit around a central star, the Sun. It consists of 8 major planets, moons, dwarf planets, asteroids, and comets. The solar system spans a massive distance of about 287.46 billion kilometers, or 179 billion miles, and the Sun accounts for 99.86% of the total mass of the system. The Sun, the center of the solar system, type yellow dwarf star, also known as a G-type main sequence, mass 1.989 times 10 to the 30th kilograms, which is 332,946 times Earth's mass. Diameter 1.39 million kilometers, or 865,000 miles. Temperature core around 15 million degrees Celsius, or 27 million degrees Fahrenheit. Surface or photosphere around 5,500 degrees Celsius, or 9,932 degrees Fahrenheit. Age approximately 4.6 billion years. Distance from Earth roughly 149.6 million kilometers, or 93 million miles, also known as 1 astronomical unit, or AU. The Sun provides energy through nuclear fusion by converting hydrogen into helium in its core. This energy radiates through the solar system, enabling life on Earth. Mercury, the swift planet. Order from Sun first. Diameter 4,880 kilometers, or 3,032 miles. Mass 3.285 times 10 to the 23rd kilograms, which is 0.055 times Earth's mass. Orbital period, or Mercury year, 88 Earth days. Day length or rotation, 58.6 Earth days. Distance from Earth approximately 77 million kilometers, or 48 million miles at closest approach. Average distance from Sun, 57.9 million kilometers, or 36 million miles, which is 0.39 AU. Temperature day maximum 430 degrees Celsius, or 800 degrees Fahrenheit. Night minimum minus 180 degrees Celsius, or minus 290 degrees Fahrenheit. Atmosphere extremely thin, called an exosphere, composed of oxygen, sodium, hydrogen, helium, and potassium. Mercury is the smallest and fastest orbiting planet, experiencing extreme temperature fluctuations due to its thin atmosphere and proximity to the Sun. Venus, the hottest planet. Order from Sun second. Diameter 12,104 kilometers, or 7,520 miles. Mass 4.867 times 10 to the 24th kilograms, which is 0.815 times Earth's mass. Orbital period, or Venus year, 225 Earth days. Day length or rotation, 243 Earth days, and it rotates in the opposite direction to most planets. Distance from Earth approximately 41 million kilometers, or 25 million miles at closest approach. Average distance from Sun 108.2 million kilometers, or 67 million miles, which is 0.72 AU. Temperature around 465 degrees Celsius, or 869 degrees Fahrenheit constant on the surface. Atmosphere thick, composed of 96.5% carbon dioxide, 3.5% nitrogen, and traces of sulfuric acid clouds. Surface pressure about 92 times that of Earth. Venus has a runaway greenhouse effect, making it the hottest planet in the solar system despite not being closest to the Sun. Its thick atmosphere traps heat, causing scorching surface temperatures. Earth, the blue planet. Order from Sun third. Diameter 12,742 kilometers or 7,918 miles. Mass 5.972 times 10 to the 24th kilograms. Orbital period or Earth year 365.25 days. Day length or rotation 24 hours. Distance from Sun 149.6 million kilometers or 93 million miles, which is 1 astronomical unit. Average distance from Moon 384,400 kilometers or 238,855 miles. Temperature, average surface temperature 15 degrees Celsius or 59 degrees Fahrenheit. Atmosphere 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, and 1% other gases. Earth is the only planet known to support life. Its atmosphere, liquid water, and magnetic field make it habitable. Mars, the red planet. Order from Sun, fourth. Diameter 6,779 kilometers or 4,212 miles. Mass 6.417 times 10 to the 23rd kilograms, which is 0.107 times Earth's mass. Orbital period or Mars, year 687 Earth days, day length 44.6 hours. Distance from Earth approximately 54.6 million kilometers or 33.9 million miles at closest approach. Average distance from Sun 227.9 million kilometers or 141.6 million miles, which is 1.52 astronomical units. Temperature day, maximum 20 degrees Celsius or 68 degrees Fahrenheit. Night minimum minus 140 degrees Celsius or minus 220 degrees Fahrenheit. Atmosphere, thin 95% carbon dioxide, 3% nitrogen, and 1.6% argon. Surface features, contains the tallest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons, and the largest canyon, Valles Marineris. Mars is of great interest for potential human colonization and exploration, with recent missions searching for signs of ancient life. Jupiter, the giant of the solar system. Order from Sun fifth. Diameter 139,820 kilometers or 86,881 miles. Mass 1.898 times 10 to the 27th kilograms, which is 318 times Earth's mass. Orbital period or Jupiter year 11.86 Earth years. Day length or rotation 9.9 hours. Distance from Earth approximately 588 million kilometers or 365 million miles at closest approach. Average distance from Sun 778.5 million kilometers or 484 million miles, which is 5.2 astronomical units. Temperature, cloud tops around minus 145 degrees Celsius or minus 234 degrees Fahrenheit. Atmosphere, primarily hydrogen, 90% and helium, 10%. Notable feature: the Great Red Spot, a giant storm larger than Earth, has raged for centuries. Jupiter is the largest planet with a massive magnetic field and 79 moons, including Ganymede, the largest moon in the solar system. Uranus, the ice giant. Order from Sun. Seventh, diameter 50,724 kilometers, or 31,518 miles. Mass 8.681 times 10 to the 25th kilograms, which is 14.5 times Earth's mass. Orbital period, or a Uranus year, is 84 Earth years. Day length, or rotation, is 17.2 hours. Distance from Earth, approximately 2.6 billion kilometers, or 1.6 billion miles at closest approach. Average distance from Sun, 2.87 billion kilometers, or 1.79 billion miles, which is 19.2 astronomical units. Temperature at cloud tops is around minus 224 degrees Celsius, or minus 371 degrees Fahrenheit, making it the coldest in the solar system. Uranus's atmosphere is composed of 83% hydrogen, 15% helium, and 2% methane. Its axial tilt is around 98 degrees, causing extreme seasonal changes as it essentially rotates on its side. Uranus is unique for its tilted axis, which causes unusual seasonal patterns and extreme weather conditions. Neptune, the windy planet. Order from Sun 8th. Diameter 49,244 kilometers, or 30,598 miles. Mass 1.02 4 times 10 to the 26 kilograms, which is 17 times Earth's mass. Orbital period, or a Neptune year, is 164.8 Earth years. Day length, or rotation, is 16.1 hours. Distance from Earth approximately 4.3 billion kilometers, or 2.7 billion miles at closest approach. Average distance from 4.5 billion kilometers, or 2.8 billion miles, which is 30.07 astronomical units. Temperature at cloud tops is around minus 214 degrees Celsius, or minus 353 degrees Fahrenheit. Neptune's atmosphere is composed of 80% hydrogen, 19% helium, and 1.5% methane. Notable feature: Great Dark Spot, a storm similar to Jupiter's Great Red Spot. Neptune experiences the fastest winds in the solar system, with speeds reaching 2,100 kilometers per hour, or 1,300 miles per hour. The solar system is a dynamic and diverse collection of planets, moons, and other celestial bodies, each with unique characteristics and behaviors. From the searing heat of Mercury to the icy depths of Neptune, each planet presents a different aspect of the incredible variety found in our cosmic neighborhood.